Welcome, my beautiful students. How are you today, girls? Okay, my lovely students, today we will take Better English Now, a new unit which is Unit 13. My beautiful students, listen 1 and 2. Okay, first of all, I need you to bring your Better English Now book, open page 61 and 62, and write the day with the date. Let me start the new words in this lesson, girls. Number 1, what is the first word that you can see? Number 1, I can see a pillow. So what is this? This is a pillow. P-I-L-L-O-W. P-I-L-L-O-W. And the second word, what can you see here first? I can see some clothes, shoes, hats, bags, t-shirts, okay, and boxes. What do we call this place, girls? We call it, or what do we call this thing? We call it wardrobe. So what is this? This is a wardrobe. W-A-R-D-R-O-B-E. This is a wardrobe, and this is a pillow. After that, I will ask you to come on the board to write the word wardrobe between the lines. Then, girls, what is this? What can you see? Here I can see a mattress. This is a mattress, girls. M-A-T-T-R-E-S-S. M-A-T-T-R-E-S-S. And here, girls, what is this? And what do we call it? We call it blanket. What is this? P-L-A-N-K-E-T. This is a blanket and this is a mattress, okay? So, what can you see here, girls? I can see an eye. Excellent. This is an eye. What do we call this thing, girls? What do we call it? We call it eyelid. eyelid. eyelid اللي هو in Arabic الجفن, okay? eyelid, I E Y E L I D. E Y E L I D. E Y E L I D. E Y E L I D, okay? eyelid. Okay, girls? Then open your book, page 61, to write some answers on the questions. Answer the following questions. What time did you usually go to bed? You have to write, I usually went to bed, for example, at 12 o'clock. Of course, you can write the time that you went to bed on, okay? I usually went to bed at 12 o'clock. What time did you go to bed yesterday? Yesterday, I went to bed at 11:30 yesterday, or I went to bed at 11:30 yesterday. Okay, wait a minute, please, girls. So full stop here, sorry. Then, my beautiful students, open page 62 and listen to me carefully. Number 1, it is 10 o'clock. I am tired. I feel and I can hardly keep my eyes open. I feel sleepy and I can hardly keep my eyes open. Number 2, I am now in bed. I cover myself with a heavy blanket. I put my head on the pillow. The pillow is just right, not too hard, not too soft, okay? Number 3, I took off my clothes, put on my pajamas, brushed my teeth, and went to bed. Okay, girls? So, I took off my clothes, put on my pajamas, brushed my teeth, and went to bed. Number 4, I think that the boy went into a deep. He can't be dreaming now. Have you ever had a strange dream? So I think that the boy went into a deep sleep. He can't be dreaming now. Have you ever had a strange dream? And number 5, girls, my eyelids are heavy. I can't stay awake any longer. I start to get upset. I am going to turn the light on. So, my eyelids are heavy. I can't stay awake any longer. I start to get upset. I'm going to turn the light on. Okay? Please, my beautiful students, you have to write or fill in the spaces on page 62, girls. After that, you have to number the pictures that we have up on the page, okay? You have to number the pictures, my beautiful students, okay? And also fill in the blanks, okay? So, This is the end of my lesson today, my beautiful students. Thank you for listening and watching, and goodbye.